I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have required drivers and hardware. Start Console 2025 now and pick the correct audio device. First, connect your Apollo and confirm the sample rate and clock source so signals won't drift. Next, enable DSP so plugins run on the unit. This matters because host CPU won't handle UAD processing. Once done, assign physical I/O to the channel strips and save a session template so future projects open with consistent routing and DSP allocation. Now focus on routing and plugin placement. Route each mic or line to a channel strip, set preamp gain, and engage Phantom only where needed. Insert UAD plugins directly on channels for tracking or use aux sends for parallel processing. Choose zero latency modes during live tracking versus low latency when monitoring with more DSP. Monitor DSP budget in the console meters and free resources by freezing tracks or bouncing stems to audio when mixing, because efficient DSP management keeps sessions stable and performant. Finish by checking output routing and monitor mix levels so what you hear matches recording feeds. Enable TalkBack and Monitor Dim for clear control room workflow. Save a final console snapshot plus a template backup externally to prevent lost settings. If you encounter problems such as DSP overload, reduce buffer size temporarily, freeze or bounce tracks to reclaim DSP, and if the issue persists, restart the Apollo and console. Rebooting clears hung processes and restores stable DSP allocation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.